Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have learned prime numbers. In today's session, we shall discuss a new chapter, that is the fourth chapter, HCF and LCM. Let's move on to the topic. Let's recall about prime numbers. The numbers that have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Okay? Yeah, already we studied the smallest even prime number is 2. Prime numbers. The numbers that have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Now, we shall discuss the prime factorization. There are two types of prime factorization methods. The first one is factor tree method and the second one is division method. Prime factorization. The process of expressing a composite number as a product of its prime factors. What is composite number? The numbers that have more than two factors. Okay, that is composite number. Here the process of expressing a composite number as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. There are two types of prime factorization. The first one, factor tree method. Next one, division method. We have to find out the prime factorization using two methods, factor tree method and division method. First question, find the prime factorization of 96. You will find out the prime factorization of 96 using two methods. The first method is factor tree method and the second method is division method. First, we have to write down two numbers whose product is 96. Here the unit place is 6. So it is divisible by 2. So we start with 2. One number is 2. What's the other number? 96 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8, balance 1, then 6. 8 2s are 16. So 48 is the second number. Again 48. It's a composite number. So again divide. Unit place is 8. So we start with 2. 48 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, then 8, 4 2s are 8, 24. 24 is a composite number, again it's an even number, so we start with 2. 24 divided by 2, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Then again 12, start with 2, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 is an even number, then again 2, 3. 3. So 3 is a prime number. Prime number means the factors are 1 and that number itself. Okay, so stop the process. And last we have to multiply the all prime numbers, the product of prime numbers. So here the prime number is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Prime factorization of 96 is equal to is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Have to multiply all prime numbers. The next method is division method. Division method means, write 96 as the product of prime factors. The unit digit is 6, so we start with 2. How many 2s are 9, 4 2s are 8, then balance 1, 16, 8 2s are 16, again 2, 2 2s are 4, and 4 2s are 8, again 2, 1 2s are 2, and 2 2s are 4, again 2, 6 2s are 12, again 2, 3 2s are 6, then 3, because 3 is a pen number, so you take 3 outside, 1. So 96 is equal to, multiplying the prime factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. That's it. Next, we shall discuss first question from exercise 4.1. Determine whether the following numbers are prime numbers. The first one, 103. 103. 103 is a prime number. Why is a prime number? It is divisible by 19 itself. It is divisible by only 19 itself. Therefore, 103 is a prime number. Option B, 229. It is also a prime number. It is divisible by only 19 itself. Therefore, 229 is a prime number. Option C, 817. Let's factorize 817. 817. 7 is an odd number. Here it is not divisible by 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. So start with 19. How many 19s are in 81? Here 4 19s are 19 into 4. 4 19s are 76. Then balance 5 57. 3 19s are 57. So 19. 43 19s are 817. Here 43 is a prime number. So take outside 43 1. So the factors are 1, 90, 43 and 817. Factors of 817 are 1, 19, 43 and 817. Therefore, 817 is not a prime number. Question number 2. Find the prime factorization of the following numbers using the factor tree method. The first question, 54. Factor tree method, write down two numbers whose product is 54. So 54, here the unit place is 4, it's an even number. So we start with 2. How many 2s are in 54? 54 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, the balance 1, 4, 7 2s are 14, so 27. Second number is 27. 27 here, This 27, they will place is 7. It's an odd number. So start with 3. How many 3s are in 27? 9 3s are 27. Then again 9 and it's an odd number. So we start with 3. 3 3s are 9. So here the last row shows only prime numbers. Okay. So the prime factorization of 54 is the product of all prime factors. So 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. The next question, 72. 72. Write down two numbers whose product is 72. This is an even number. Unit place is 2. So start with 2. How many 2s are in 72? 3 2s are 6. Then balance 1. This number is 2. 6 2s are 12. So the second number is 36. 36 is a composite number. Here ends with 6. So we start with 2. How many 2s are in 36? 18 2s are 36. 18 ends with 8. Again even number. So 2. 9 2s are 18. It's an odd number. So we start with 3. 3 3s are 9. Here the last one shows the prime numbers. So the product of the prime factors, prime numbers is the prime factorization of 72. So 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Sorry, third question. Find the prime factorization of each of the following numbers. First one, 104. Here, no method is mentioned. So, we will use division method. We have to write 104 as a product of prime factors. 104 is an even number. We will start with 2. 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4, then balance 1 12, 6 2s are 12. Again 2 1 2s are 2 and 3 2s are 6. 13 is prime number. So take outside 13. 1 13s are 30. So 104. Prime factorization of 104 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 30. The next question, 135. 135. Unit place is 5. So start with 5. 2 5s are 10. Then balance 3, 35. 7 5s are 35. Here 25 is 7. It's an odd number. So we start with 3. 9 3s are 27. You can start 3, 3 3s are 9, then 3, 1. So, the prime factorization of 135 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. The third question, 252. 252. 2. The number ends with 2. 2 is an even number, so start with 2. 1 2s are 2, then 5, 2 2s are 4, then balance 1 12, 6 2s are 12. Again 2, 6 2s are 12 and 3 2s are 6. Again 3, 2 3s are 6 and 1 3s are 3. Again 3, 7 3s are 21. 7 is a prime number, so take outside 7, 1. So, prime factorization of 252 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 3 into 3 into 7. Then question number 4, find the prime factorization of each of the following numbers using the successive division method. Successive division method means you have to write the product of prime factors. 616. It's an even number. End with 6, so we start with 2. 3 2s are 6. Then next number is 1. Divisible by not divisible by 2, so we put 0. Then 16. How many 2s are in 16? 8 2s are 16. Again 2. 1 2s are 2. Then balance on 10. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. So even number. So start with 2. 7 2s are 14. Then balance on 14. 7 2s are again 14. 7. Here is 7, so take 7 outside, 7. 1 7s are 7 and 1 7s are 7. Again 11 is a prime number, so take outside, 1 11s are 11. So 616 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 11. The next question, 1350. 1350. Ends with 0, so start with 2. 6 2s are 12, balance 1, 15. 7 2s are 14, again balance 1, 10. 5 2s are 10. Then here ends with 5, so 5. 1 5s are 5. Then balance on 17, 3 5s are 15, balance 2, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again, it's 5, 2 5s are 10, balance 3, 35, 7 5s are 35. It's an odd number, so we start with 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, take 3 outside. 1 So 1350 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Today we have discussed prime factorization and also learned two methods for prime factorization. First one is factor tree method and the second one is successive division method. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.